Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT 2025 course. This is class 2 of the CSAT FIT 2025 course, and in this class we are going to discuss about classification of numbers. See, classification of numbers is one of the most important topics of CSAT paper, right? So this is part 1 of classification of numbers. If you see from classification of numbers itself, see in 2024 6 questions are asked. In 2023, 4 questions are asked. In 2022, 3 questions are asked. In 2020, also 6 questions are asked. So, it is one of the most important classes, right? And इस classes का जो basics है, they will be used in all the topics like percentage, profit and loss, right? In every topic, they will be used. So, it is one of the most important topic. So, now let's start with the topic that is classification of numbers. See, numbers are classified as, see, one is there are real numbers, okay, and then there are imaginary numbers, and there are complex numbers. Complex numbers. So these are numbers. So, and these we don't deal in CSAT paper. So we'll be studying about real numbers. And now real numbers are, see, real numbers are integers. Integers are minus infinity to plus infinity, right? So the integers are numbers shown on number line. We'll be discussing about integers and everything in detail also. Let's best first understand the basics. So integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity, and then there are decimal numbers. Right? So decimal numbers are numbers which can be like 1.1 is a decimal number, right? So decimal numbers, and in this decimal numbers, we have again three categories. That is terminating numbers or terminating decimal numbers. Terminating numbers examples are C, that is 5.2. That means there is ending of these numbers. They are terminating. So then 6.468, there is end. So this is terminating number. They are terminating. They are end. Then they are non-terminating. Recurring numbers. Non-terminating recurring numbers, right? See, example, that is 6.3333 so on. See, that means there is no end. 6.3333 so on. So non-terminating, they are not terminating. There is no end, but the numbers are recurring. This is 333 is recurring. So it can be written as 6.3 bar. That means they are recurring. 3 is recurring multiple times, but it is not ending, non-terminating, right? Example, another example is say like 10 by 3. 10 by 3, if you calculate, you will get 3.3333 so on. Okay, so it is recurring. 3 is recurring and a non-terminating. There is no end. So that is 3.3 bar, right? It is thing. Then there is non-terminating, non-recurring numbers. Non-terminating non-recurring numbers. That means, see, example is, say, pi. Pi value is what? 3.1428, so on. There is no end, right? So 28, so on. So that means it is not even terminating and not even recurring. See, alag alag digits hai. Okay. Another example is root 2. Root 2, which value is 1.414, so on kuch, right? So not terminating, there is no end, and there is no recurring of same number. So these are the decimal numbers. And if we see these integers and these decimals, like the terminating numbers and non-terminating recurring numbers, they are rational numbers. Rational numbers. And this number, this is irrational number. Irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. See, we can understand it like this. See, all these numbers, they function rationally. Okay? Rationally, integers है, so they are rational, 1 minus infinity to infinity. Then terminating numbers, there is rationality, and non-terminating recurring numbers, there is rationality by same number. बार बार आएगा. These are irrational numbers. They behave as whenever they want, right? So there is no end to it. So this is rational numbers and this is irrational numbers, right? So this is the basic thing. Now let's understand each of these more clearly, right? So everything I am teaching, please note it down, right? So that you can revise it. So now first let's discuss rational numbers. Rational numbers. So rational numbers is what? Nothing but integers. Okay, see, here we have discussed, right? Rational numbers are what? Integers plus terminating decimal numbers plus non-terminating recurring numbers, right? So rational numbers are integers plus terminating decimal numbers. Terminating decimal numbers plus non-terminating recurring numbers. Non-terminating recurring numbers. So these are rational numbers, right? Then another thing, rational numbers are numbers which can be written in P by Q form, where Q is not equal to 0. P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0, where P comma Q are integers. See, let me explain this. See, rational numbers are those numbers which can be written. See, 5 is a rational number. Okay, see, 5 is a rational number. So 5 can be written in the form of 5 by 1. By 5 is equal to 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is what? 5. So where Q, P by Q form, see, it is P and it is Q. Where Q is not equal to 0. अगर Q 0 होता तो वो नहीं होता. ठीक है? So any number which can be written in P by Q form, that is a rational number. Again, see, let's take minus 7. So minus 7 can be written as minus 7 by 1, right? So it is a rational number. And let's take example of, say, 0.7. Okay, 0.7 is a rational number, by it can be written as 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is nothing but 0.7, right? So any number which can be written in the form of P by Q, that is a rational number, right? So Now let's understand irrational numbers we have discussed. So let's write it down. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Numbers are non-terminating, non-terminating, non-recurring, non-recurring decimal numbers. Right? So this is irrational numbers. So example of irrational number are just say pi, that is 3.1428 so on, or square root of 3, square root of 6, square root of 7 so on. जो भी numbers है, these are irrational numbers, right? So now let's look at the important thing, that is integers, right? So integers पे discuss करेंगे. Integers. So integers are what? Integers, we know integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity, or numbers which can be shown on number line. So integers are which can be shown on number line. So that is say minus infinity, ठीक है, so on, ठीक है, so -3, -2, -1, then 0, then 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity. So these are the integers. So integers are from minus infinity to plus infinity, and the numbers which can be shown on number line where difference होगा, 1 का difference होगा between each number. These are integers. Now see, these are called negative integers. See, negative integers है, negative integers. Right? See, these things are very basic. In every topic we will be using these things, like you will when we solve questions you will understand it. Negative integers, then these are positive integers. Positive integers, and then 0 is neither positive, okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative, right? Then we know all integers are rational numbers. So let's make it a note. All integers are rational numbers. All integers are rational numbers because they can be written in p by q form, where p by q form where q is equal to 1. ठीक है, सारे integers है, q is 1. See again, see, 1 can be written as 1 by 1, ठीक है, 2 can be written as 2 by 1, 3 can be written as 3 by 1, ठीक है, then -2 can be written as -2 by 1. So when q is equal to 1, ठीक है, p by q फॉर्म में हर इंटीजर को लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, where q will be 1. So that is integers. So we have seen, ठीक है, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स क्या है, ये सब देख लिया. Now let's see non-negative integers. Non-negative integers, ठीक है. अब देखो सेम चीज है, नॉन नेगेटिव. सी, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हटा देंगे भाई, ये हटाओगे तो नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हो जाएगा. सो नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आर व्हाट? नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आर नथिंग बट 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 सो ऑन टिल इंफिनिटी, राइट? ठीक है, एंड वही नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आर नथिंग बट होल नंबर्स, ठीक है, होल नंबर्स, होल नंबर्स. So whole numbers are what? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so on till infinity. So whole numbers start with 0. So whole is in this form 0. So whole numbers start with 0. You can remember it. Whole numbers. Then we have natural numbers. So natural numbers. Natural numbers are what? Natural numbers are which we count 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till infinity, right? So these are natural numbers. So natural numbers start with 1, whole numbers start with 0. Okay, so this we need to remember. Then aata hai, let's come to the topic, that is even numbers, right? All these basic things we need to know and we need to have clarity. Even numbers, even numbers are where numbers where last digit last digit are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, these are even numbers. Like examples of what? Examples of even numbers are, see, 2 is an even number, 4 is an even number, 6 is an even number, 12 is an even number, 14 is an even number, 88 is an even number, 996 is an even number. देखो, because last digit 6 आ रहा है, last digit 8. So last digit in numbers में कोई भी number होगा, that will be an even number, right? Or it can be written as numbers which can be which can be written in plus or minus 2n form, plus or minus 2n form, that those are even numbers. See, generally हम लोग even numbers में सिर्फ positive numbers भी लेते हैं. अगर if we interpret it broadly, negative even numbers भी है. So even numbers are nothing but, ठीक है? So see, infinity, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on till infinity, right? So these are even numbers. So even numbers में negative numbers भी आते हैं, right? Then we are done with even numbers. So कोई भी number है 2n plus or 1 form में लिख सकते हैं. तो if n is 1, so this will be 2. Negative में minus 2. ठीक है? So those are even numbers. Now let's discuss about odd numbers. Odd numbers, right? Odd numbers are where last digit of the number has to be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. ठीक है? और numbers which can be written in plus or minus 2n plus or minus 1 form. ठीक है? Plus or minus 2n plus or minus 1 form. So odd numbers is equal to, ठीक है? So minus 7, minus 5, infinity तक, ठीक है? Minus 3, minus 1, ठीक है? Then 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on till infinity. So these are odd numbers, right? Odd numbers, right? These are very basics. Now let's discuss the most important thing, that is prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers is UPSC's favorite, right? UPSC favorite. So prime numbers. Prime numbers क्या है? Numbers having only two factors. Only two factors. That is, हम समझ लेते हैं. Numbers having only two factors. That is, the two factors are 1 and itself. 1 and itself. So prime numbers are numbers having only two factors, that is 1 and itself. That is prime numbers. Example देखते हैं, देखो. Examples of prime numbers are, see, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on, etc. Right? So अब देखो, only two factors means two factors, 1 and itself. That means this number will be there only in one table. See, 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so factors are, by this 1 is a factor and the number itself, that is 2 is a another factor. सिर्फ 2 ही factors होंगे. कोई भी नंबर लो प्राइम नंबर, so that is see 3 is 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 into 1 is 3, right? So any number having only टेबल ऑफ वन टेबल में आएगा एंड नंबर खुद का नंबर के टेबल पे आएगा, दैट इज प्राइम नंबर, राइट? सिंपल थिंग, राइट? सो प्राइम नंबर, सो लेट्स से सी 10, is it a prime or not? No, it is not a prime because 1 into 10 is 10, then 2 into 5 is 10, then 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into 1 is equal to 10. So अब 1 में नहीं है, 2 में भी आ रहा है, 5 में भी आ रहा है, 5 2 and 5 are also factors, so 1 is not a prime number, right? एंड जो भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं होता है वो कंपोजिट नंबर हो जाता है. सो लेट्स दैट्स द नेक्स्ट थिंग, ठीक है? सो दैट इज कंपोजिट नंबर, राइट? सो लेट्स डिस्कस कंपोजिट नंबर, राइट? कंपोजिट नंबर इज numbers having more than two factors, more than two factors, okay? These are composite numbers. So composite numbers example are, say 4, see 4 can be written as 1 into 4, 2 into 2 and 4 into 1, right? Then another example is 12, 12 can be written as 1 into 12, it can be written as 2 into 6, it can be written as 3 into 4, it can be written as 4 into 3, it can be written as 6 into 2 and it can be written as 12 into 1. So there are more than two factors, मतलब सिर्फ 1 का टेबल और खुद का नंबर का टेबल के अलावा और नंबर का टेबल्स में आता है, that is called composite numbers. Now let's discuss about see, now one important note you need to note down is, notice, see, one is neither prime nor composite, क्योंकि से सिर्फ 1 टेबल में ही आता है, 1 into 1 is 1, that's it, ना 2 है, ठीक है? So 1 is single, right? So 1 is neither prime nor composite, right? So that's the thing. So now let's understand comprehensively about the prime numbers. So prime numbers, so important things we will discuss. So prime numbers, ठीक है? prime numbers from 1 to 100. See, prime numbers is very important topic and favorite topic of UPSC. So we need to study it comprehensively, right? See, from 1 to 10, prime numbers are, see, 2, 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers. So that means there are 4 numbers, right? Then from 10 to 20, okay, 10 to 20, we have 11, 13, 17, 19, ठीक है? ये सब या तो 1 टेबल में आएंगे या तो खुद के नंबर के टेबल पे आएंगे, राइट? सो अगेन 4 प्राइम नंबर्स आते हैं. देन फ्रॉम 20 to 30, we have 23, 29 as prime numbers. So that means there are only 2 prime numbers from 20 to 30. Then again from 30 to 40, we have 31, 37 are prime numbers. Again 33 is not a prime number because 11 threes are 33 and 39 is not a prime number because 13 threes are 39. Okay, so 2 prime numbers. Then from 40 to 50, we have 41, 43, 47 as prime numbers. That is 3 prime numbers. Then from 50 to 60, we have 53, 59 as prime numbers. That is 2. Then 60 to 70, so that is 61, 67, that is 2 prime numbers. Then 70 to 80, we have 71, 73, 79 as prime numbers. So that is 3. Then 80 to 90, we have 83, 89 as prime numbers, that is 2. Then 90 to 100, we have one prime number, that is 97, that is 1. So that we need to remember this. So that way to remember, see 1 to 10, 10 to 12, ये तो हमें पता है. So 1 to 100 तक, so the way to remember is 4 4 2 to 3 2 to 3 2 1. So this is the sequence. So 4 4 4 4 2 to 3 2 to 3 2 1. So we need to remember, because this will help in lots of questions, right? So 4 4 2 to 3 2 to 3 2 1, right? So this is the thing we need to remember. And also note down few things, that is total 25 prime numbers, 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. So 1 to 100 के बीच में there are 25 prime numbers, right? See, if you count all this is 25, right? So total 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. Then out of them, see 1 to 50 15 prime numbers है, ठीक है? Then 51 to 100 there are rest 10 prime numbers, ठीक है? So this also you can remember, right? अगर नहीं भी पता है तो इधर से you can easily calculate, right? But this thing 4 4 2 to 3 2 to 3 2 1, so 4 4 2 to 3 2 to 3 2 1, right? You keep on doing that, you will remember it. 4 4 2 to 3 2 to 3 2 1. So these are prime numbers. Then the facts are, see again, write in note one important fact, that is one is neither prime nor composite. We have already seen this fact, right? Then 2 is only even prime number. Even prime number, right? So 2 is only even prime number. Rest all the other prime numbers are odd numbers. So we will also remember this fact, right? So this important fact will help in many questions, right? Right. Then another important note we need to keep in mind is, that is all prime numbers except 2, 3 are in the form of 6n plus or minus 1, ठीक है? All prime numbers. But एक चीज और याद करना है, but it is not necessary that every 6n plus or minus 1 formed number is a prime, right? So सारे प्राइम नंबर्स इस फॉर्म में होंगे एक्सेप्ट 2 and 3, बट ये नहीं कि भाई जो नंबर 6 प्लस और 1 फॉर्म में वो प्राइम नंबर है. एग्जांपल देखो, एग्जांपल इज से n is equal to 4, so that is 6 into 4 plus 1, that is 25. 24 plus 1 25 है, ये प्राइम नहीं है. 25 5 5 are 25, ठीक है? Then 6 into 4 minus 1, that is 24. So sorry 23, right? 23. So 23 है, ये प्राइम है, राइट? सो जरूरी नहीं है कि ये सारे जो नंबर्स इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, बट जो भी प्राइम नंबर है वो सब इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. जैसे एग्जांपल 11 कैन बी रिटन एज 6 into 2 minus 1. Then 13. 13 is a prime number. It can be written as 6 into 2 plus 1. Then 17. 17 is a prime number. It can be written as 6 into 3 minus 1. Right? Then 23 is a prime number. It can be written as 6 into 4 minus 1. So all prime numbers can be written in the form of 6n plus or 1 minus 1 form. Right? बट ये जरूरी नहीं कि जो भी नंबर 6n प्लस और 1 माइनस फॉर्म में, तो अगेन दिस नोट यू आल्सो कीप इन माइंड, ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है. राइट? सो दिस इज द थिंग अबाउट प्राइम नंबर्स. राइट? नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट ट्विन प्राइम्स. ठीक है, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ट्विन प्राइम्स. सो ट्विन प्राइम्स आर two primes whose difference is 2. ठीक है, जो टू प्राइम नंबर है whose difference is 2. एग्जाम्पल 5, 7, 2 prime numbers and their difference is 2. Then 3, 5, 2 prime numbers and the 11, 13. ठीक है, so prime numbers, these are called twin primes. Difference is 2. Then there is concept called co-primes. ठीक है, twin primes, co-primes इतना important नहीं है, but it's better we are aware of these things. That is prime numbers with HCF as 1. HCF, that is highest common factor of the two prime numbers, will be 1. Example is, see, HCF, LCM, we'll understand it in LCM and HCF chapter. So 3, 5 are co-primes. That means 3 or 5 LCM किया तो 3 ones are 3, then 2, 3, 2 ones are 2, then 1, 2, 1 twos are 2, so 0. So ये है, so HCF is this one. Right? LCM HCF chapter में you will understand कि HCF कैसे calculate करना है, क्या करना है. So this is the HCF of 3, 5. That is HCF is 1 है तो they are co-primes. Another example is say 11, 13. ठीक है, so look 11, 13. So 11 ones are 11, 2, 11, 5s are 10, 1, 2, 1 twos are 2, 0. So this is the HCF. जहां जिस नंबर पे 0 रिमाइंडर आता है वो HCF होगा. So co-primes are primes with HCF 1. HCF 1, they are called co-primes. Then there is concept called perfect number. Perfect number. So perfect number ये भी इतना important नहीं है, but just be aware of it. That is, if the sum of all the factors excluding the number itself is equal to that number, then it is called perfect number. It is called perfect number. So let's understand it with example. Examples are, right, 6, 28. So that is, see, factors क्या है, 6 का factors is 6 किस table में आता है, that is 1 into 6 is 6, then 2 into 3 is 6, then 3 into 2 is 6, then 6 into 1 is 6. So if the sum of all the factors excluding the number itself, so excluding 6 as a factor exclude करते हैं, ठीक है, sum of the all factors, so this means इनको add करते हैं, ठीक है, so that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. जो sum of all the factors is equal to that number, so number है 6, हमें sum of factors भी 6 आ रहा है, so then it is called perfect number. So let's check with 28 also. So 28 can be written as 1 into 28, ठीक है, it can be written as 2 into 14, ठीक है, it can be written as 4 into 7, it can be written as 7 into 4, it can be written as 14 into 2, and it can be written as 28 into 1. Now exclude the number, then add all the other factors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14, so you will get the number itself, that is 28. So that is perfect number, right? So that's the thing. So these are the basics. Now let's understand a very important concepts which we will be using. So that is, see, see, if we add any odd number with odd number, odd plus odd, we will get even. कैसे देखो, odd number is say 3 is an odd number, plus add it with 5. ठीक है, 5 is also odd number, so you will get 8, that is even number. So any odd number you add with odd number, you will get even number, right? Then odd, you add it with even, you will get odd number, right? See, odd is 3 plus even is 4, you will get 7, which is an odd number, right? Then even plus even, you add, you will get even number, right? So even plus even, so 2 is an even number plus 4 is an even number, you will get 6, which is an even number, right? Right? Then odd minus odd, odd minus odd, you will get even, right? See, odd is say 5 is an odd, okay, minus 3 is an odd, you will get even number, which is 2. Then okay, then odd minus even, you will get odd. Okay, see, 5 is an odd minus 2 is an even, you will get 3, which is an odd number, right? Then even minus minus even, see, 6 is an even number, 4 is an even number, you will get 2, which is an even number, right? So these things you can no need to remember, just have a knowledge, because you can check it with numbers, right? Numbers से check कर सकते हो, no need to remember it. Then odd into odd, odd into odd is odd. जैसे example check करो, see, 3 into 5, 3 is an odd, 5 is an odd number, that is 15, 15 is an odd number. Then even into even into even, that is even. So that is, see, 2 into 4, that is 8. Okay, then even into odd, even into odd, that is even. Okay, so even is 2 into odd is 3, that is 6. Okay, so these are the things you need to keep in mind. ये याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, just we need to know, right? एग्जाम्पल से हम चेक कर सकते हैं. देन अब देखो, ये हो गया बाय बेसिक एक्सप्रेशन आ रहा है. नाउ ऐसा भी आ सकता है, ठीक है, जैसे ऑड प्लस इवन, ये क्या होगा? ठीक है, अब हमें पता है भाई ऑड प्लस ऑड है, सी, दैट इज 3 प्लस 5, दैट इज इवन, इज इक्वल टू 8. सो ये हो गया इवन, ठीक है. नाउ इट विल बी इवन प्लस इवन, दिस इवन. सो इवन प्लस इवन है, सो ये पता है 2 प्लस 4, दैट इज 6, विच इज एन इवन. ठीक है. सो फॉर द एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन, सी, अगर ऑड नंबर प्लस इवन ऐड करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट even. So let's check. See, odd number is 3 plus another odd number, let's take 5, plus take even number, that is 2. So 3 plus 8 plus 2 is 10, that is an even number, that is an even number, right? Okay, then let's check even plus odd, इसका क्या होगा? ठीक है, so even plus even would be, so 2 plus 4 is 6, would be even. So even plus odd, so even plus odd, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, so we will get odd. So the entire expression will be odd. Let's check. See, let's take even as 2 and another even as 4 plus odd number as 3. So that is 2 plus 6, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, which is an odd number, right? So ऐसा करेक्ट, जैसे देखो, even plus odd प्लस इवन प्लस ऑड, इसका क्या होगा? ठीक है, सो चेक देखते हैं भाई, इवन प्लस ऑड क्या होगा? इवन प्लस ऑड इज, दैट इज 2 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 5, सो हमें ऑड आ रहा है. ठीक है, इसका रिजल्ट है. देन add with this odd plus even. ठीक है, so odd is 3 plus even is 2, that is 5. We are getting odd. Result of this is odd. So odd, then odd plus odd. So odd plus odd, that is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we are getting even. So result would be even, right? अब चेक भी करो. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 करो. ठीक है, so 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So that is even we are getting. So we need to able to do these kind of things. So now let's see a question which is asked based on this concept in the 2024 paper, right? So this is the question using this concept. See, let P, Q, R and S be distinct positive integers. See, distinct positive integers. See, integers is what? See, okay. Integers are minus infinity to infinity, that is minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till infinity, right? So minus infinity to infinity are integers, right? Now see, P, Q, R, S. So P, Q, R, S are distinct positive integers. अब देखो positive integers are what? ठीक है, so positive integers are these things, right? ठीक है, positive integers are, ये negative integers हटा देंगे, right? Negative integers, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. So P, Q, R, S are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till infinity, right? So on till infinity. These are the distinct positive integers values. Now P comma Q are odd. ठीक है, P comma Q are odd. So that means P और Q का values क्या होंगे? So odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, so on. Then R comma S are even. ठीक है, even. They are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. ठीक है, now consider the following statements. ठीक है, अब हमें पता है भाई, अब we know by P is equal to odd. ठीक है, then Q is equal to odd, then R is equal to even. ठीक है, then S is equal to even. ठीक है, we know कि अब देख P minus R square. So let's check with first one. So P minus R square. So P is odd minus R is even square into QS. So Q is odd into S is even, right? So is even दिया हुआ है भाई, let's check whether it is even or not. See, we know odd minus even is what? See, odd is, say let's take 5 minus even is 2. Even is 2, so that is 3. So that means this expression का odd minus even is odd. by 3 आ रहेगा हमें, that is odd. So odd square odd into even is the expression now. ठीक है, then odd square, see that is odd square, that is 3 into 3. ठीक है, 3 into 3 करो. Odd square is odd into odd, right? Odd into odd is what? Odd only. So this is odd square is equal to odd. ठीक है, odd into even. ठीक है, अब odd into odd we know by 3 into 5 देखो, which is 15, that is odd. So this will be odd. ठीक है, odd into even हो गया. अब odd into even by 3 into even 2 देखो, so 3 into 2 is 6, so it is even. So we are getting even, 6 आ रहा है even. So odd into even is even. So p square minus is an even. Yes, it is even, right? So one is correct. Then let's check with this statement 2. ठीक है, so statement 2, q is odd. ठीक है, odd minus s is even. ठीक है, then q square, that is odd square into s is even. ठीक है, so odd minus even. ठीक है, odd minus even, so that is 5 minus 2, that is 3 which is odd. Odd minus even is odd. Okay, into odd square, that is odd into odd, that is 3 into 5. देखो 3 into 5 is 15. So odd square is odd into odd, that is 3 into 3 is 9. See, that means odd. ठीक है, इसका odd है, इसका odd है, then even into. So now let's check with odd into odd. So we know 3 into 3 is 9. So this is odd. Then बचा हुआ ये even. So even. ठीक है, odd into even is, that is like 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That is even. So odd into even is even. So the entire expression होगा ये even होगा इसका result. Then let's check with third one. That is, let's check here. ठीक है, Q is odd plus R is even square into P, that is odd, plus S that is even. ठीक है, so odd plus even. ठीक है, odd plus even is what? ठीक है, so odd plus even, see, let's take 3 plus 2, that is 5. ठीक है, so that is odd square, odd plus even, again odd plus even, 3 plus 2 is 5, that is odd. ठीक है, now odd into odd, that is 3 into 5 is 15, that is odd. square में 15 odd होगा. ठीक है, into odd. So odd into odd, that is 3 into 5 is 15. So we'll get odd number. So odd. So we are getting odd. Odd, it is S. It is also correct. So statement 1, 2, 3 are correct. So we just know, like, we can use examples and we can find out odd into odd क्या है, odd plus even क्या है, even plus odd क्या है. Then we can easily solve this kind of questions. Right? So now let's move to next question. See, now let's do few questions with respect to prime numbers. ठीक है, prime numbers पे few questions so that we understand the prime numbers concept more clearly. Right? So let's see this question. That is, what is the value of x for which x comma x plus 1 and x plus 3 all are prime numbers. See, value of x चाहिए हमें, value of x दिया हुआ है. Let's check. See, let's option verify करते हैं भाई. x प्ले 0 रखो, so x is 0. See, 0 is not a prime number, so 0 cannot be. And x plus 1 is 1, which is also not a prime number. And x plus 3, that is 0 plus 3 is 3, which is a prime number. All three are prime numbers. भाई जब 0 prime number नहीं है, 1 prime number नहीं है, so x value cannot be 0. Then let's check with 2. So x is 2, so 2, it is a prime number. Then x plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is 3, again it is a prime number. Then x plus 3, that is 2 plus 3 is 5, it is also a prime number. So value of x is 2. ठीक है, 2 करेक्ट हो रहा है. अब 1 पे चेक करते हैं. See, 1 is not a prime number, so its option will be eliminated. अब 1 x plus 1, ठीक है, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, which is a prime number. Then 1 plus 3, that is 4. 4 is also not prime number, it is even number, so ये incorrect. Then 101 का देखते हैं. So x is 101, so 101 is a prime number. Then x plus 1, that is 101 plus 1 is 102, which is not a prime number, so ये भी कट जाएगा. Then 103, ये भी I think ठीक है, but ये हो रहा है तो ये prime number नहीं है, so this will be eliminated. So option B is the answer. Right? So अब देखो, value of x, all x plus 1, x plus 3 all are prime numbers. Right? अब इससे ये भी कर सकते हैं. देखो, x plus 1, ठीक है. So इधर एक important note है, you can note it down. That is 2, 3 are only prime numbers. Only prime numbers where difference is 1 are only prime numbers. 2, 3 are only prime numbers where difference is 1. ठीक है, 2, 3 are only prime numbers where difference is 1. Right? ठीक है, then let's see next question. Okay, see, if n plus 2 and n plus 4 are prime numbers, then value of n is. So again, see, value 1 रखो. See, 1 आर प्राइम नंबर सी n is 1, so भाई 1 प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, सो ये इधर ही हो जाएगा एलिमिनेट। ठीक है, n plus 2 that is 3, n plus 4 that is 5, ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर है, बट n आर प्राइम नंबर्स, ये देन वैल्यू ऑफ n, सो ये एलिमिनेट हो गया। देन n is equal to 2, so n is 2, n plus 2 is 4 एंड n plus 4 that is 2 plus 4 is 6, भाई ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं है। ठीक है, सो दिस विल बी एलिमिनेटेड। देन n is equal to 3, so 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5 and 3 plus 4 is 7, as n is a prime, n plus 2 is also a prime and n plus 4 is also a prime, then value of n, so this is correct. Then let's check with 5, so 5 is prime number, n plus 2 is 7 is prime number, then n plus 4 that is 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 is not a prime number, so 9 is not a prime number, so this is also eliminated. So value of n is 3, right? These are simple easy questions. We'll slowly move to difficult questions also. Then there is question that how many prime numbers are there between 30 to 80? So 30 to 80, how many prime numbers? We know by 0 to 10 पे कितने prime numbers है? There are 4 prime numbers. Then 10 to 20, how many prime numbers? 4. ठीक है, so 20 to 30, how many prime numbers are there? 4 4 2 2 3. ठीक है, ये याद करना है, 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1, 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1. So 30, so 30 to 40, then 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, then 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So 4 4 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1, right? So अब हमें देखना है भाई 30 to 80, so 30 to 80, so 30 is here and 80 is here, so इधर तक काउंट करना है, so 2 plus 3 5 5, ठीक है, 10 12, so there are 12 prime numbers from 30 to 80. ठीक है, so 30 to 80, how many prime numbers are there? There are 12 prime numbers, right? Option C is the answer, right? ठीक है, देन ये क्वेश्चन ये भी कर सकते हैं भाई, 10 to 60 भी काउंट करो, 10 to 60, how many prime numbers are there? अब देखो 10 to 60, 60 is here, so अब इसमें कितने प्राइम नंबर्स है? So that is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, so there are 13 prime numbers. So you need to remember 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1, 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1, so 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1, 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1. ठीक है, so now let's see next question. See, this is question asked in UPSC CDS, right? So if m is number of prime numbers between 0 to 50, अब 0 to 50 कितने प्राइम नंबर्स है? देखो अगेन 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1, right? So this is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 to 100, right? So अब m is equal to number of prime numbers from 0 to 50, so m is equal to by number of prime numbers from 0 to 50, so 4 4 that is 8 10 12 12 15, so m is equal to 15, and n is number of prime numbers from 50 to 100, by 50 to 100 that is, say 2 plus 2 4 7 8 9 9 plus 1 is 10, so n is equal to 10, so m minus 1 is equal to कितना? by m minus 1 that is 15 minus 10 is equal to 5, so 5 is equal to number, so n prime number between what is the m minus n equal to, so m minus n is equal to 5, right? Then choose the group which is different from others, so CSAT 2023 का क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है, group which is different from others. See, all these are prime numbers. See, 17 is a prime number, 37 47 97 are prime numbers. अब देखो इसमें भी we use same concept, that is 4 4 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 1, right? अब देखो, see, now let's check. See, this is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100, right? 90 to 100. So now see, अब हमें ये तो चाहिए नहीं. अब let's check भाई 20 उसमें क्या क्या आता है. See 20 में 11, 13, 17, 19, ठीक है. So 17 is a prime number. Then 20 to 30 to 40 में देखो 2 है, that is see 30 to 40 prime numbers are 31 and 37, right? 31 and 37 are prime numbers, so 31 37, ठीक है. Then 40 to 50, 40 to 50 is, see, 3 prime numbers are there, that is 41, 43, 47. So 47 है, ये भी prime number है, ठीक है. अब देखो 90 to 100, so 97 is a prime number, so ये भी prime number है. So all are prime numbers. Then 37 is a prime number, ठीक है. So 31, 37, so ये भी prime number है. So by group, which group is different from others? भाई ये group है, ये same है, ठीक है. And ये देखो 31, 41, see 31 is a prime number, 41 is a prime number, and 53, yes, 53 is a prime number. See 53, 59 are prime numbers here. So 53 is a prime number and 67 is also a prime number. Here also 61, 67 are prime numbers. So 60, all these are prime numbers. So ये भी groups, so these are groups of prime numbers. अब हमें ये पता चल गया कि भाई जो कौन सा ग्रुप में एक प्राइम नंबर रही है वो करना है. अब देखो सी 71, सी 70 to 80 में 3 है, that is 71, 73 and 79. So देखो प्राइम नंबर्स. एंड 83, see that is, see 80 इसमें क्या है, 83 is prime number and 89 is a prime number. So 83, so these four also prime numbers. अब देखो क्वेश्चन इधर है 83, 89. अब देखो इधर 97, 91, 97. So 91 is not a prime number. So this group is different. Rest all groups में सारे numbers are primes, ठीक है. In this group this 91 is not prime. अब बस हमें ये पता होते ही 90 to 100 में बीच में ये की प्राइम नंबर है, सो वी कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कि भाई ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, या तो ये नहीं है या तो ये नहीं है. हाँ, वी नो 97 इज ए प्राइम नंबर, सो देन वी विल से भाई 91 इज नॉट ए प्राइम नंबर. सो दिस इज ए ग्रुप which is different from other groups. All are prime numbers, but in this group one number is not prime number. So 97 can be written as, ठीक है. तो 13 टेबल में आता है 97, ठीक है. सो 13 sevens are 7 threes are 21, 7 ones are 7, 7 2 is 91. So 91 आता है, ठीक है. So is 91 is not a prime number because 13 table में आता है. So this is the answer, right? Again we need to remember this, which makes things easy. Even अगर लिखना भी है तो which makes things easy, right? So now let's move to next question. Okay, see this is question asked in SSC CGL and UPSC CDS also. So again a good question, right? See if n square minus 33, n square minus 31, n square minus 29 are prime numbers, then possible value of n if n is the integer number. So n is from minus infinity to infinity, ठीक है, ठीक है. So then possible values of n का possible values दिया भाई, अब 1 लगा दो n के प्लेस में. So that is 1 square minus 33, that is 1 minus 33, so that is minus 32. So minus 32 is not a prime number, भाई प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. 32 is an even number cannot be prime number, so n is equal to 1 नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है, ठीक है. Then n is equal to 2, so 2 square, n square minus 33, so that is 2 square is 4, 4 minus 33, that is minus 29. So 29 तो वो प्राइम नंबर है, ठीक है, हो सकता है. देन n square that is 4 minus 31 देखो, so that is 27, ठीक है. So 27 minus 27, sorry, 4 minus 27, ठीक है, देन n स्क्वायर इज 4 माइनस 29, सो दैट इज माइनस 25। अब देखो भाई 25 है, ये प्राइम नंबर नहीं है, ठीक है, सो n कैनॉट बी 2। देन लेट्स टेक n एज 6, सो दैट इज 6 square minus 33. So 6 square is 36. 36 minus 33 is 3. Then 6 square is 36 minus 31, that is 5. Then n square is 36 minus 29, that is 7. So 3, 5, 7. So these are numbers. So prime numbers. So where n square minus 33, n square minus 31, n square minus 29 are prime numbers. So these are all are prime numbers. Okay, then value of n. So possible value of n is 6, where we are getting all three are prime numbers. Right? अब n as 7 ले लो, 7 square that is 49 minus 33 that is 6, 16 है, 16 is not a prime number, so 7 इधर कर जाएगा. So option C, 6 is the answer. Right? देन इधर से एक नोट भी लिख सकता है, ठीक है, 3, 5, 7 आर only set of 3 prime numbers where difference is 2, so 3, 5, 7 are only set of prime numbers where difference is 2. Only set of 3 prime numbers where difference is 2. Right? So this is again very important point. Right? So now let's see next question. See, what is x, y and z are prime numbers and x plus y plus z is equal to 38. What is the maximum value of x? See, again very important type of questions. Right? See, x, y and z are prime numbers and x plus y plus z is equal to 38. Then what is the maximum value of x पूछा है. अब देखो से ये क्या है, ये even number है, 38 is an even number. So we'll apply two concepts here. ठीक है. Now we know भाई अब sum even आ रहा है, ठीक है, sum even आ रहा है, so we know भाई 2 is only even number, even prime number, only even prime number. ठीक है, we will use this fact applied by, अब देखो 3 numbers है, ठीक है, अब देखो इधर even number आना है, 3 numbers को add किया, ठीक है, 1 will be even, ठीक है, 1 will be even and other 2 are odd. 1 is even, other 2 are odd. See, even number आना है, if we are adding 3 numbers where 1 would be odd, other would be odd, ठीक है, plus is equal to we need to get even. ठीक है, this is the expression. ठीक है, odd, 2 odd numbers because see 2 के अलावा सारे prime numbers are odd, right? So अब we need to take even here to get even. ठीक है, because देखो odd odd लिया, ठीक है, so this would be see 3 plus 5 plus 7, so result would be 10, 15, that would be odd. ठीक है, so अब even आना है 3 numbers where 2 are odd, definitely third number will be even. So एक number will be even, so this number has to be 2 because सारे prime numbers है and only one even prime number जो है वो 2 है. So that means x plus yz maximum value of x चाहिए हमें. So now x plus y plus z, so z has to be 2 is equal to 38 because even आना है, ठीक है. So we are mixing two concepts here, right? So ये fact and this concept, so that makes this kind of questions very important. So now देख x plus y is equal to 38 minus 2, that is x plus y is equal to 36. अब x plus y is equal to 36 आया है, ठीक है. So we need to find out maximum value of x. So x has to be prime number. So prime numbers are what? Now the prime numbers are, ठीक है, x और y का वैल्यू से वो प्राइम नंबर्स है, ठीक है. So they can be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 7 के बाद 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, ठीक है, ये सब प्राइम नंबर्स। अब देखो x एंड y आर प्राइम नंबर्स, डिफरेंट प्राइम नंबर्स है, सो x ये तो नहीं हो सकता 2 बिकॉज ये इवन नंबर है विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन, राइट। सो नाउ मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ x, ठीक है, x प्लस वाई, अब क्या होगा, राइट, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ x, so 28, so 23, then 29, then 31, 37, so on और प्राइम नंबर्स। सो नाउ सी x प्लस वाई हमें 36 लाना है, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू देख, अब x लिया 31, ठीक है, इफ x इज 31 प्लस y इज 5, दैट इज 36, सो दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स है, ठीक है, दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स, ठीक है, सो वेयर x का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 31 हो सकता है, देन वी विल गेट x प्लस वाई, सो y इज ऑल्सो प्राइम नंबर, x इज 31, सो रेस्ट और चीजों में भी आ सकता है, जैसे देखो 29, x can be 29 plus y can be 7, that is also 36, ठीक है, but we need to know maximum possible value of x, maximum value of x can be what, it can be 31, ठीक है। अब देखो, so x is, अब x plus y plus z is equal to 38, all three are prime, so this would be 31 plus 5 plus 2, that is, see 31 plus 5 is 36, 36 plus 2 is 38, so even. So again, answer is 31. Maximum value of x is 31. Right? Again, very good question. These kind of questions UPSC can ask. Right? A concept that we know by some even are. So all three are prime numbers. We must know by only even prime number is 2. So 2 has to be there. Right? To get the even outcome. Then rest are odd numbers होंगे जो, right, then let's see next question, you will get more clarity, okay, see question is x plus y plus z is 32, x greater than y greater than z, that means x is largest, ठीक है, then अब x y and z are prime numbers, see अब देखो, ठीक है, x plus y plus z is equal to 32 which is even, अब even है, so by all are prime, x y z are prime numbers, so 2 is a only even prime number, so we need to get 2, right, because odd plus even is equal to even, ठीक है, वो ये कि even तो आना ही चाहिए even आने के लिए, ठीक है, so then x is greater than y is greater than z, then z is the least number, so that means by z 2 होगा, even आना है तो ये x या y या z को even होगा, अब prime numbers में 2 is the least number, so z is equal to 2 we'll get, so now x plus y plus 2 is equal to 32, x plus y is equal to 32 minus 2, that makes x plus y is equal to 30, so now then find the possible values of xy, possible values of x into y का पूछा, अब देखो x plus y 30 है, तो these are prime number, ठीक है, x is a prime number and y is also a prime number, so possible values क्या हो सकता है, so prime numbers का देखो, ठीक है, prime numbers are see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, ठीक है, 23, 27, sorry 27 is not a prime, 29, 31, so on, अब x plus y 30 होना चाहिए, so by 30 कहाँ आएगा, ठीक है, see when x is equal to 23 plus y is equal to 7 we get 30, ठीक है, so x is equal to 27, y is equal to 7, this is one possible value, ठीक है, then 17 30 आएगा, 17 13 plus 17 is equal to 30, so x is equal to 13, y is equal to 17, this is possible, then 30 19 plus 11 check, x is equal to 11 plus y is equal to 19, that is 30. So x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 19. So this is a possible. अब x plus 1 29, we don't get 31 नहीं है, ठीक है, 2 हो नहीं सकता. So these are the possible values of x y. अब देखो हमें अब x y पूछा, x plus y पूछा तो भाई ये भी हो सकता है ना possible values. देख x y is equal to 27 23 सॉरी इधर 23, ठीक है, देन x is equal to 7, ये भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है. दैट मेक्स 1 2, देन x is equal to y is equal to 13, x is equal to 17, ठीक है, देन x is equal to 19, y is equal to 11, ये भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है. तो x plus y है तो we have 6 possible values of x comma y, x plus y. बट हमें पूछा x into y, x into y. भाई अब x into y, x 23 लिया, ठीक है, 23 into 7 या 7 into 23 दोनों सेम ही हो जाएंगे. सो देर आर ओनली 3 possible values of x y, ठीक है, where x plus y is equal to 30. So that is the answer. Again very good question, right? So now let's see next question, ठीक है, that is sum of 3 prime numbers is 100. 100 is even, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 100. भाई ये even है तो one has to be even among these. So let's take z is equal to, let's take z is equal to 2. हमें पता है भाई only even prime numbers हो, because odd plus even होगा या एक एटलीस्ट even होगा तभी even आ सकता है, ठीक है. So let's take z is equal to 2. That means x plus y is equal to 100 minus z, that is 98, ठीक है. अब देखो फिर एक और पूछा, if one of them exceeds another by 36, one of them, that is x is exceeding y by 36. So x is equal to y plus 36, that is exceeding another by, then one of the numbers is. So we know, so अब आ गया भाई x की प्लेस में ये एक्सप्रेशन रखो, that is y plus 36 plus y is equal to 98. So I have replaced x with this, right? So that means 36 plus 2y is equal to 98. So 2y is equal to 98 minus 36, ठीक है. So that is 2 and 98 6 62. So 2y is equal to 62. So y is equal to 31. y is equal to 31. So one of the numbers is, अब y 31 है, we know x plus y is equal to 98, ठीक है भाई, ये प्राइम नंबर है. So 98 minus 31, so that is 767. So one of the numbers is, भाई one of the numbers is, भाई हमें पता आ गया भाई x is equal to, भाई it is value of x. So x is equal to 67 plus y is equal to 31 plus z is equal to 2. So we got value 100, right? So अब देखो one of the numbers is, by one of the numbers is ना 17 है, ना 29 है, ना 43 है. So answer none of the above is the answer. That is the numbers are x is equal to 67, y is equal to 31 and z is equal to 2. So these are the numbers, right? Again very good question. Option भी जिस हिसाब से दिया, that is also very good way of setting options. So एक simple fact, that is by 2 is the only even prime number and we know by 3 numbers अगर add करना है, ठीक है, अगर even आ रहा है तो one number has to be even and we will take 2 and remaining 2 numbers are prime numbers, odd numbers है. वो दो concepts when they mix they are favorites of UPSC. So I am expecting a question on these lines, right? Then let's see this question. I think this question is asked in CAT exam, right? So if A, B, C, D, E are 5 prime numbers where A less than B less than C less than D less than E and A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 306. अब देखो again same thing, A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 306, which is an even number, भाई अब हमें पता है भाई ये सारे प्राइम नंबर है, ठीक है। अब ये इज लेस देन, बी इज लेस देन, सो ये इज सबसे छोटा है, इवन आ रहा है। 5 नंबर्स को अगर ऐड किया इवन आ रहा है तो देयर हैज टू बी वन इवन नंबर बिकॉज रेस्ट ऑल आर ऑड। सी दिस वन इज ऑड, दिस वन इज ऑड and this one is odd and this one is odd. अब ये is less than all the numbers, so this has to be even. ये has to be even and even prime number is what 2, ठीक है। सो अब देखो even plus c, अब तभी even आएगा, इधर एक even आएगा तभी even आएगा, नहीं तो odd odd आएगा। सो a is equal to even number, so a is equal to 2, from this we will get a is equal to 2। भाई बाकी 2 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज बाकी सब बड़ा है, स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर क्या है, बाकी सब प्राइम नंबर्स है। सो स्मॉलेस्ट इज ये हैज टू बी देयर एंड इवन हैज टू बी देयर। देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन a cube plus 2a, so we got value of a as 2, so a cube plus 2a, that is 2 cube plus 2 into 2, so 2 cube is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, so 12 is the answer, 12 is the answer, ठीक है। so 12 is the answer, right? So find the value of a cube plus 2a, right? So 12 is the answer. Then in 4, see this is next question, in 4 consecutive prime numbers that are in ascending order, so 4 consecutive prime numbers that are in ascending orders, that is a less than b less than c less than d, ascending order में है। The product of first three is 385, so that is first 3, that is a into b into c is equal to 385, then the product of, then that of last 3 is 1001, last 3 that is b into c into d is 1001, 1001, ठीक है, 1001, ठीक है। सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लास्ट 3 इज 1001, ठीक है। देन द लार्जेस्ट गिवन प्राइम नंबर इज, लार्जेस्ट गिवन प्राइम नंबर, अब देखो वी नो भाई प्रोडक्ट प्राइम नंबर्स है, सो प्राइम नंबर्स आर व्हाट, सो ये दिस इज 2 3 5 7, ठीक है, 7 11 13 सो ऑन होंगे, ठीक है। सो आर 4 कंसेक्यूटिव प्राइम नंबर्स, कंसेक्यूटिव प्राइम नंबर्स। अब देखो 3 नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट 5 में आ रहा है, देन 1 हैज टू बी ए 5 मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, राइट। सो इधर ये B और C हैज टू बी ए 5, 5 इज ए प्राइम नंबर, तभी तो प्रोडक्ट आएगा। तब देखो 1 हैज टू बी 5, सो अब 5 से डिवाइड करो इसको, 5 385, ठीक है। सो 5 7 5 are 35, then 3 5 7 5 7s are 5 7s are 35, so 77। so if let's take by अब ये BC में let's take one number as 5, see ये BC, ठीक है, ये into B into C, let's take one number as 5, 4 consecutive prime numbers that are in ascending order, right? So let's take 1 minute, let's A B C, so let's assume like अब देखो A into B is, अब one number has to be C, 77 आ रहा है, C let's take A as 5, ठीक है, that means ठीक है 5 into B into C is equal to 385। अब 385 तो इधर that is जैसे B into C is equal to 385 by 5, we brought 5 here, so it is 77, so that is B into C is equal to 77, so that means अब देखो दोनों प्राइम नंबर है, B is a prime number and C is also a prime number, so this can be written as 7 into 11। अब देखो consecutive prime numbers आ रहा है, so अब देखो B is 7, so we got A is equal to 5, B is equal to 7 and C is equal to 11, राइट. C is equal to 11. ये एक्सप्रेशन ये भी आ रहा है कंसेक्यूटिव प्राइम नंबर्स. अब देखो ये इज छोटा, B is 7 consecutive and C is the next one. Then B into C, we got B into C. So B is 7 into C is 11 into D is equal to 1001, right? 1001, that is D is equal to 1001 by 77. अब 77 से कैंसिल किया तो it will be 13. So we got value of D. So what is the largest, that of the largest 3 is 101. The largest given prime number is, so largest given prime number is D. भाई D सबसे बड़ा है. So consecutive prime numbers are what? ये 4 है. So ये is 5, B is 7, C is 11 and D is 13. So largest is 13 of the prime. So हमें इधर ये करना है कि भाई A into B into C ये आ रहा है. So all are prime numbers. So then one number has to be 5. One number has to be 5. So एक 5 को लिया तो उससे डिवाइड कर दिया तो हमें B into C का रिजल्ट आएगा. ठीक है. Then after B into C का रिजल्ट we can say B into C is 77 है, that is 7 into 11 प्राइम नंबर्स फॉर्म में लिख सकता है. So from this we will get. ठीक है. अगेन वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. So these are prime number based questions. Then now let's talk about decimal numbers, right? So how to convert decimal numbers into normal P by Q form, right? We will deal with this now. So decimal to, so this is a question asked in CSAT 2020 paper. So now the concept is, we'll look at this question afterwards. Now let's understand the basic concepts. So decimal numbers to P by Q form. ठीक है. So decimal numbers to P by Q form. अब decimal numbers में we have seen by decimal numbers कितने तरीके का होता है we have seen. So terminating numbers, decimal numbers are, one is terminating, numbers, then second is non-terminating recurring numbers, then third is non-terminating non-recurring decimal numbers. ठीक है. अब let's see how we can convert these numbers into P by Q form, right? P by Q form. These are irrational numbers है. ठीक है. इनसे ज्यादा डील नहीं करेंगे. बाकी ये terminating numbers and non-terminating recurring numbers का डील करेंगे. So we convert decimal numbers into P by Q form. So decimal numbers. So let's take example of 0.4444 so on. So it can be written as 0.4 bar, right? 0.4 bar. So now this number can be converted into P by Q form. So P by Q form, it can be written as 0 plus, अब देखो ये 0 plus then 4 see this is number by 9. अब जिस नंबर पे ये डॉट है तो उसको 9 से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. So it will be 0 plus 4 by 9 is nothing but 4 by 9. So P by Q form is 4 by 9. Now let's check another thing. We'll do many examples so you will get clarity कि इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है. That is 0.636363 so on. So that is, अब देखो it can be written as, जो भी रिपीट हो रहा है उस पे बार लगेगा. 0.63 बार. भाई 63 रिपीट हो रहा है. So 63 bar. So now it is can be P by Q form में 0 plus अब 63 है तो write 63 above and अब देखो 2 numbers पे बार है तो write 2 nines. So 9. So this will be 0 plus 63, that is 63 by 99. ठीक है. अब देखो let's go one step further. ठीक है. So now it is 0.12525 0.125 so on. See, now it is, see, it can be written as 0.125 bar because 25 is repeating. So जो नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है उन पे बार लगाएंगे, ठीक है. सो दिस को PYQ फॉर्म में वी कैन कन्वर्ट एज 0 प्लस. नाउ लुक केयरफुली, सी bar is on two numbers, so we will write two nines below, ठीक है. टू नंबर्स पे बार है, सो टू नाइन्स वी विल राइट. देन एक नंबर पे बार नहीं है, सो जीरो पे, दिस वन पे, सो वी विल राइट जीरो. So 990. Now, so we will write the complete number 125 minus जिस नंबर पे बार नहीं है वो नंबर माइनस करेंगे, सो 1, ठीक है. सो लेट्स गॉट इट राइट. सो अब दोबारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में भी देखते हैं और समझ में आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज व्हाट 0 plus 125 minus 1 is 124 divided by 990. So that is 124 divided by 990. सो P by Q फॉर्म में. इसको फर्दर कैंसिलेशन करना है तो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज, ठीक है, सी 0.36787878 so on. So it can be written as 0.3678 bar, right. So it is 0 plus अब देखो डिवाइड बाय, अब कितने नंबर्स पे बार है, दो नंबर्स पे, सो राइट टू नाइन्स. एंड कितने नंबर्स पे बार नहीं है, टू नंबर्स पे, सो राइट टू जीरोस. डिवाइड बाय, देन राइट द नंबर कंप्लीटली 3678 माइनस जिस पे बार नहीं है वो माइनस करोगे, माइनस 36. सो दिस विल बी 0 प्लस, सो 0 प्लस 3678 minus 36, that is 3642 by 9900. So 3642 by 9900. This is P by Q form, right? So now let's check one more question. Okay, so that is 2.325 so on, right? So this can be written as 2.325 bar, ठीक है. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज, अब देखो अभी तक जीरो आ रहा था, ठीक है, तो 0 प्लस, अभी 2 आ रहा है तो 2 प्लस अब देखो नीचे आएगा भाई, तीन नंबर से तीन नंबर्स पे बार है, सो 999. अब जीरो तो है नहीं, बारलेस नंबर है नहीं, सो माइनस, अब 325 तीनों नंबर्स पे बार है तो 325. सो इट इज व्हाट, अब फर्दर इसको करना है भाई, 2 into 999 plus 325 divided by 999, यही एक्सप्रेशन है. सो दिस इज 2 into 999 is what 1998 plus 325 divided by 999. So that is, so this is 2323 divided by 999, ठीक है. ये P by Q फॉर्म में आ गया. फर्दर कैंसिलेशन होता है तो कैंसिलेशन कर सकते हैं, right? So let's check one more question. So that is 1.27 bar, ठीक है, that is 1 plus, अब देखो इधर 9 कितने आएगा, एक आएगा बिकॉज एक नंबर पे बार है, एंड 0 एक आएगा बिकॉज एक नंबर पे बार नहीं है, ठीक है. 0 बाई 27 माइनस जो नंबर पे बार नहीं है वो आएगा -2. So this is 1 plus 27 minus 2 is 25 divided by 90. So this is 90 plus 25, further ये 90 plus 25 divided by 90. So 90 plus 25 is 115 divided by 90. by 5 से फर्दर सिंप्लीकेशन कर सकते हैं तो फर्दर सिंप्लीकेशन कर सकता है. So P by Q फॉर्म में आ जाएगा, ठीक है. So now let's check the question asked in UPSC. अब समझ में आ गया तो let's check question asked in UPSC. So this is the recurring decimal representation is equivalent to P by Q form. See 1.272727 so on, ठीक है, उसको P by Q फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. So it can be written as 1.27 bar, ठीक है. So that is 1 plus by बार दो में है, so 9, ठीक है, बार वो नहीं है, so 27 पे है तो 27 माइनस कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So that is 99 plus 27 by 99. So that is 126 divided by 99, ठीक है, 126 divided by 99. So it can be written as by 3 से 33, एंड 3 से 42, ठीक है। सो 3 से 11 एंड 3 से 14, सो फर्दर सिंप्लीकेशन नहीं हो सकता, सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 14/11 फॉर्म, p by q फॉर्म में। सो 14/11 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 14/11, 1.2727। अगर 14/11 को आप वो भी करोगे तो इट विल बी भाई 14 करो, 11 वन जार 11, 3, ठीक है, 0.0, 11 टू जार 22, then it would be 8, 8 0, 11 7s are 77, ठीक है, then 3 0 2s are, ठीक है, 22, then 8 0 7, so यही आता रहेगा। so it is equivalent to 14/11 is equivalent to 1.272727, so on, right? Let's check another question asked in UPSC CDS exam, right? So this is the question, represent 2, this is C, 2.35222222, so on. See, this is 2.352 bar, right? So this is, so 2 plus by bar कितने में 1 पे, so 9, so bar less कितने 2 numbers, so 0 0, ठीक है, 2 plus 900, then 352 minus 35, माइनस जो बार नहीं है वो माइनस करेंगे 35, सो दिस वुड बी 2 plus 352 minus 35 is 317 by 900, so this is see 900, so 900 into 2 plus 317 by 900, so that is 1800 plus 317 by 900, so this is 2117 by 900, 2117 by 900, so 2117 by 900 is the answer, right? So that's it for today's class. In next class we will be solving all the PYQs asked from classification of numbers topic, right? So that will be the part 2 of classification of numbers, right? So we'll be understanding various concepts and solving questions simultaneously in the next class also. See you in the next class. Bye.